What's going on? This is Markie. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. I'm pretty sure everyone knows some degree of what to buy when it comes to food prepping. Simple things such as canned foods, toiletries, and medical supplies. Rotate stock and stockpiling non-perishable items. You do all the buying and hope to never use them. But if you need to start using your prepping supplies, did you cover all the bases? Probably not if all you have is food items in your stash. I will have some links in the description below regarding prepping is much more than food storage. From our last major crisis when the world was on lockdown and the supermarket shelves went bare when it came to our food supply. But if you skip over to a few aisles, you'll notice an abundance of non-food prepping items. Are we talking about vitamins and overall hygiene items? Those shelves were fully stocked, no limit to how many you want to purchase, of course besides the toilet paper. Just there for a few. Water filters were there, fully stocked, but yeah, the price did skyrocket when it comes to the water filters. So let me go over what the links I have in the description below pertain to when it comes to other items than food that you need to stockpile. If you don't know, we get the most of our medical supplies from overseas. So if and when the time comes to bunker down, these shipments of supplies will come to a halt. So it would be wise to have a stockpile of painkillers on hand, from the simplest ibuprofen to the over-the-counter Naxprorin. These will definitely come in handy if an injury occurs. This will also go hand in hand when it comes to medical supplies, gauze wraps, band-aids, ice packs, and even crazy glue. To be fully stockpiled, you must not forget about the seasonal illnesses such as the flu or allergy season. You need to have an inventory of these medications as well. The Home Doctor book will also cover the very important topics when it comes to expired medication. The Home Doctor Survival book gives you the heads up on what you need to order to be blackout ready, and I'm not only talking about batteries for your flashlights or candles, which you should already have now to have stocked, but I'm talking about items that need to be kept at a certain temperature, such as insulin if a blackout occurs. Do you have the right stockpile to keep your medicine safe? Also, do you know during the blackout it's a good idea to start unplugging your appliances for when the power restores, you can avoid the power surge going into your home and frying everything out. Also, people opt out for candles but don't keep a watchful eye on them. For a safer alternative, try battery-powered LED lights and flashlights, which are much less risky. They also tend to be less expensive and will generally have a better lifespan. Non-food essential items, of course, your stockpile should also contain flashlights, radio, manuals, can opener, batteries, and copies of important documents. But depending on the size of the family, you need to figure out your family non-food essential items needs, such as which family member has allergies, feminine products, shaving cream along with good razors, entertainment such as board games. You want to save space? Strange enough, some people overlook the health aisle or the health department. In this area, you can stock up on protein powder, protein bars, small snacks you can load up that will supply you with the energy, nutrients you need in a crisis arise. Along with that is a big space saver for your storage, and if you need to bug out, you can pack quite a few of the power bars and have more space for water and other bug out goodies while trekking out. When it comes to best natural painkillers, the Home Doctor Survival Practical Guide will show you the best natural painkillers you can find in your backyard, such as wild lettuce, lavender, or willows. Caution and consideration before use. While nature gifts are abundant, responsible use is paramount. Precaution, including dosage recommendation and potential interaction. You must heed to be ensured a safe experience. Consulting a healthcare professional adds an extra layer of security. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Wins, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well, floating right here, and always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.